Hello everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment. Today we are starting the new topic and it is related to the organization of blood student. Blood is organized with the help of the two type of components. First component is known as plasma and second component is known as blood corpuscles. What is the plasma student? Plasma is the medium and that medium contains the different components. And this plasma have the pale color, slightly alkaline and transparent non-living substance student. What is it? It is pale colored, transparent non-living substance or non-living fluid. And this fluid provides the medium to the blood corpuscles student. To the blood corpuscles, because the blood corpuscles are found inside the plasma. And what it contains the different components. And mainly which component is found in this? It is water. Water is found in this. And what is its percentage? Its percentage is 90%. Means in the plasma 90% water is found. And with the 90% water there is another inorganic substances are also found like sodium, magnesium, calcium, potassium, ions are found. And what are they? They are the inorganic substance. So 1% inorganic substances are found in the plasma. With the inorganic substances, there is 6 to 8% protein is found, and that protein is known as plasma protein student. And what is its percentage? Its percentage is 6 to 8%. Means in the plasma there is 6 to 8% protein is found. And with this there are other substances are found. It may be the hydrogen carbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, or the different gases are found in the plasma. Now what is the main function of the plasma student? Plasma provides the medium to the blood corpuscles. Second is there are the different components. Are transported with the help of plasma, like food, waste, oxygen, carbon dioxide, ions. These are the substances that are transported via plasma student. And it also provides the viscosity to the blood. Means viscosity of the blood is provided by the plasma. Now we come on the next component, and what is it? It is blood corpuscles. There is 45% blood corpuscles are found inside the blood. And there are the different type of blood corpuscles or the cells are found. First cell that is found in the blood is student RBC. And what is the full form of the RBC? It is red blood corpuscles. Means these cells have the red color. And what is their shape? They have the biconcave, oval and unnucleated shape. Means the nucleus is absent in the RBC. If we speak about the human, but in other vertebrates that nucleus may be found in the RBC. Means in the RBC the nucleus is absent in the case of human. With this, the RBC, red blood corpuscles, is also known as erythrocyte student. What we call them? Erythrocyte. And their number is in the blood is 4.5 to 5 million per millimeter cube in the blood. Means their number is 4.5 to 5 million per millimeter cube. If there is female, then in the female it is 4.5, if there is male then it is 5 million per meter cube. And what is the lifespan? Means what is the age of the RBC inside the blood? It is 120 days, student. Means RBC can survive in the blood till 120 days, and after 120 days they may die, student. Now where the RBCs are produced? RBCs are produced in the bone marrow, student. So there is one important question generally asked in the exams or the competitive exam, student. Where the RBC are produced? They are produced in the bone marrow. And where are they die? They are died in liver or spleen, student. Spleen is the part. And liver or spleen, they die in the spleen. That's why the liver or the spleen are known as the graveyard of RBC. Now we come on the function of the RBC, student. What is the main function of the RBC? RBC work as the carrier of oxygen or carbon dioxide. Means oxygen or carbon dioxide is transported in our body with the help of RBC, means red blood corpuscles. Now we come on the WBC, means white blood corpuscles. Why are they known as white blood corpuscles, student? Because they don't have any color and their shape is circular or irregular amoeboid shape, means like amoeba their shape is found. And with this they are also known as leukocyte. And where are they produced, student? These white blood cells are produced in the lymph, inside the lymph, and with this they are also produced in the bone marrow, inside the bone marrow. What is the bone marrow, student? In between there is gap found in between the bones. There is a hollow space is found, and in that hollow space there is particular structure is found that is known as bone marrow. So inside the bone marrow they are produced, and their number is 6,000 to 8,000 in the blood, and it is per millimeter cube, means 6,000 to 8,000 per millimeter cube, and their lifespan is 4 to 7 days. 4 to 7 days means they can survive 4 to 7 days, student. And with this they play very important role in our body because they protect us from the pathogens and the different diseases. Means we are protected from the diseases or the pathogens with the help of white blood corpuscles. That's why they maintain our immunity system. Immunity system means our immunization becomes strong due to the presence of white blood corpuscles. With this, many corpuscles become dead. After the death of the blood corpuscles like the RBC, WBC or the platelets, they are eaten by the white blood cells, and that process is known as phagocytosis. Means with the help of the phagocytosis or with the help of this irregular shape, they protect us or they wash the blood, or they take all the dyed blood corpuscles, and that process is known as phagocytosis. So these are the two important roles of the white blood corpuscles or leukocytes in our blood. Now we come on the platelets. What are the platelets, student? Platelets are the fragments like structure present in our blood, and they are also known as thrombocytes, and their number is 2 to 4 lakh per millimeter cube in our blood. And with this, their lifespan is 2 to 5 days, means they can survive from 2 to 5 days, student. And what is their function? Their important function is they help in blood clotting. Means our blood is automatically stopped after some time, and that process is known as blood clotting. So in the blood clotting, these platelets help, and they also maintain the viscosity of the blood. Viscosity of the blood is maintained by the platelets. There is another cells, or the corpuscles are also found in the blood, and what we call them, student, these cells are known as spindle cells, because they have the spindle shape they have, and they also help in the blood clotting, student. So these are the components that are found inside our blood. Now we come on the function of the blood, student. What are the main function? Means there are the different substances like food, waste, ions, and different gases. They all are transported from one part to another with the help of blood. And with this, it also protects our body from the injury, because it helps, means the blood helps to in the blood clotting, from which the blood stops automatically after the injury. With this, it also regulates the body temperature, means our body temperature, whole body temperature is regulated by the blood, student. With this, it also maintains the pH of our body, means our body has the pH around 7.1 to 7.5, student, and that pH is also maintained by the blood. So these are the main functions of the blood, student, and it is about the composition of the blood. Now I am fully sure that you have cleared this topic. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.